Are you sick and tired of having a cluttered phone screen? Well, in today's video, I'm going to share my top digital organizing hacks to keep you productive. If we're just meeting, hello, my name is Lindsay from Organize to Save. I'm here to help you get organized, be more productive with budget-friendly hacks and digital products so that way you can declutter and simplify. So you're trying to figure out how to get your digital clutter in check. Well, I want to share with you my top digital organizing tips, products, and apps I use in order to be productive. First up, your phone screen. Your phone is honestly probably one of the things that you look at most during the day. So if your screen is cluttered with apps and notifications, well, your mind is likely to be cluttered as well. So first things first, step one, you need to remove those notifications. Because by having those on, it's likely going to kill your productivity. So go through your notification settings and turn off as many notifications as you can. And keep a few on that you need to have available, for example, maybe your text messages. I personally like to have those so that way it comes across my lock screen. But go ahead and turn off all of your notifications on your shopping apps, your social apps, etc. I'm willing to bet that this may even save you money. Now, hear me out. If you are constantly having your phone pop up with messages of all of the different shopping apps saying, buy now, sale today, they are likely to snag your attention and take you off of the task that you were working on. So even if you don't click on that thing right then, likely you'll probably go back to it because you're gonna remember, oh, I saw that Target has a huge sale going on shoes today. Let me go check that out. So by turning off those notifications, you are likely to save money because you're not going to spend it on things that you don't have planned. Step two, change your lock screen. I love putting motivational quotes or verses on my lock screen because that's the first thing that you look at when you look at your phone screen. You're going to see the message that's on your lock screen. Have something positive when you look at your phone right away is a great way to instill those positive messages. So I've actually created a complimentary lock screen just for you with one of my favorite quotes. Be sure to check the description box below so that way you can get your gift. I don't know about you, but with the number of apps that I have downloaded, it can often be hard to find the one that I'm looking for. But recently I stumbled across a way to make your screen look like this. It is so clean looking and it's so organized, gives me all the organizing feels, and it has seriously become a game changer and made things so much easier to navigate on my phone. So let me show you exactly how you can do this for yourself. Keep in mind this is for Apple products. You're going to start in the Shortcuts app. If you don't have it, go ahead and download it now. First, go ahead and press on that blue plus button. Next, select Add Action and go ahead and type in the search bar Menu. Then select Choose from Menu. So here we are basically creating a shortcut, which is going to be basically a folder for similar apps. So I'm going to show you, for example, how you can do this with all of your social apps. So go ahead and see where it says under prompt, it says 1 and 2. This is where you're going to put all the different apps that you want to have in this particular folder. Next, hit that blue plus button on the bottom, and then in the search bar, type in Open App. Now it has to say Open App, otherwise you won't find it. Click on that and then say choose. This is where you're going to choose what app you want it to find. So go ahead and put in Facebook, and then you're going to drag and drop it underneath Facebook. That way when you click on the social folder that we're creating here, it's going to give you an option of what app to choose. So you need to make sure that you are doing that dragging and dropping and matching your apps together. So real quick, here's just how to do it again with Instagram. All right, now that all your apps are assigned, go to the very top, and in the right-hand corner, there are 3 little dots. Click on those, and this is where we're going to create the actual icon that is on your home screen. So go ahead and type out whatever you want it to say, and click on the little icon next to it. This is where you can change the color, and then you can change it to whatever image that you want. There's so many different options, so I'm sure you'll find what you want. Once you have your image selected, you're going to want to make sure you click that add to home screen, because if not, this is not going to show up on your home screen. And then that's added to your home screen. Save it and click out of it and go to your home screen. You're going to have to play around with your apps a little bit. I just moved all the original apps to that second screen so that way all these new pretty apps can go in this first screen. Now once you click on it, you'll see it pops up where you can select Facebook or Instagram, and then it takes you right where you want to go. So the home screen looks so much prettier than before, and it's so clean and easy to find what you're looking for. Okay, so if you're digging these hacks so far, I want you to go ahead and hit the like button on this video, and also don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. So now that our phones are all beautiful and organized, let's talk about keeping track of your time and your projects. So I recently launched a line of digital products, including a digital planner. Now I have a whole playlist on my digital planner and showing you exactly what's included, how to use it. I'll leave that linked down below so that way you can go check that out. So I'm not going to go super in-depth into my digital planner, but I am telling you, having your planner in a digital format is the way to go. A time saver and a money saver. Prior to creating my digital planner, I have always been a paper planner gal, but I was starting to come across multiple problems with having to lug around a huge paper planner. One, it was not easy to carry around. Honestly, I was wasting a lot of money on stickers, pens, you name it. So enter the digital planner. It has all the fun features of paper planning, but in digital format, meaning I can take it with me wherever I go on my phone or on my iPad. Now, if digital planners are not your thing, don't worry. I would suggest keeping your appointments at least in a digital format. So you could use something like Google Calendar, so that way you can have it easily accessible and you're not going to be overbooking yourself or forgetting where you're supposed to be when. If you're needing to track bigger projects, I have an amazing app that I want to tell you about. I've talked about it a little bit in past videos, but it is Trello. I am a huge fan of Trello. I have literally used Trello for years. I used it at my previous job. I used it at home. It's amazing, and best of all, it is free. Now you can upgrade to get a couple other features, but the free one works perfectly. You can access it on your phone, your tablet, and online. So within Trello, you can create several different boards to keep track of different types of things. So for example, I have a board for all of my organized to save stuff. I have one for my MOPS responsibilities. I've also utilized Trello in the past for party planning, which I have done a whole video on, so I'll leave that link down below if you want an in-depth look as how I use Trello for party planning. It's an amazing way to be able to keep track of checklists, notes, images, documents, you name it, you can keep it all in one spot. So for me, I love being able to keep all of my organized to save things in there. I keep all of my graphics for social media posts, all my thumbnails in there, and then I like to script out my videos. I'm not saying things word for word, at least have general notes so that way as I'm talking to you on video, I know exactly what I want to say, so I'm not rambling on for days. If you're looking for something for bigger projects, or you can even use it for things around your house, you can create a board for different cleaning tasks that you want to get done throughout the year and mark out when things are due. There's so many different ways that you can use it. I would highly suggest it. I'll leave a link down below if you want to go check it out. If you're interested in learning more about digital planning, make sure to check out the video on your screen right now, and we'll see you in the next video.